Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok profile not showing. To know how to fix or to solve profile not showing, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of TikTok. Here on this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have on your TikTok. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.